I'm sure you're wondering, what are essential skills? Great question. Let's explore that together. The Government of Canada has defined essential skills as the skills that people need for work, learning, and life. They are used at home, in our community, and in the workplace, and can vary in levels of difficulty. They help us to be successful in everything we do. These skills are reading, writing, document use, numeracy, oral communication, teamwork, technology use, problem solving, and continuous learning. So, if you have ever paid a bill, cooked a recipe, sent an email, brainstormed with friends or colleagues, or learned a new hobby, you have used an essential skill. In Canada, 28% of what we earn is directly related to our level of essential skills. Nothing else. Not even education and experience contributes as much to our income. People with high essential skill levels find jobs 29 weeks faster than others, and almost all occupations in Canada require workers with essential skills at a level 3. And yet, nationally, almost half of adults have essential skills below this desired level. We value your success in work and life, and we want to help you achieve your goals and your greatest capacities. That's why we also focus largely on employability skills within our essential skills programming. Employability skills are the attributes that employers look for when hiring new candidates. Things like attitude, motivation, time management, adaptability, and confidence, just to name a few. In many of our essential skills programs, we use an objective matrix called ESAT, the Employability Skills Assessment Tool, to help you identify ways to grow your strengths and advance your skill gaps. ESAT is a powerful tool because it relies on a clear framework of set skill definitions and examples, and will allow you to better understand how you are seen from an employer's perspective. We are excited to offer these types of programs because our learners have endless opportunity for growth. The more you enhance all of these skill sets, the greater opportunities you will have in the workplace, and the better equipped you will be at handling the obstacles and challenges of life. Our essential skills programs also give our students a way to give back to our local communities. Programs can have the opportunity to complete a hands-on group project of their choosing that will benefit their community in some way. Students in the past have hosted mental health awareness workshops for high school students with prize raffles that support healthy coping. They have given community presentations about the process and importance of recycling with recycling bin donations to attendees, and they have even built homes for elders in their community. Who are essential skills programs for? Everyone. If you are 18 and older and meet the eligibility requirements of the program of your interest, you can apply. Essential skills programs are an awesome way to explore the workplace and can provide a great foundational stepping stone into further education or meaningful employment. Our programs can be focused on a particular target industry, such as healthcare, hospitality and tourism, emergency services and criminal justice, or they can be open to any and all workplaces, such as our CAMSAC Essential Skills Program or the Youth Employment Skills Strategy Program, otherwise referred to as YES. These programs run in a variety of areas within the Parkland region, such as Yorkton, Melville, Fort Qu'Appelle, and CAMSAC. Our programs may also be run in partnership with First Nation communities located in our region. There are no application or tuition fees for any of our essential skills programs. Yes, you heard it right. They are free to attend. Call your local Parkland College campus now to inquire about the essential skills programs in your area. We look forward to meeting you.